Hi, hope you are solving these circle problems, properties of circles, and enjoying them. We are finishing with first 16 questions, and for the remaining questions of this particular module, along with the additional properties, along with the properties that we have already discussed in our earlier video, additional properties of circle, those are required. I am just trying to explain you, and I am not just directly giving you the proofs of those properties. It is expected that students will learn those proofs, or I have converted those problems into the questions so that you will be able to solve them independently. If you solve these properties yourself, they will be remembered for longer time. Therefore, I am not disclosing the proof. The 5 properties that we will require for solving remaining around next 30-40 questions will be: first, inscribed angle. Suppose AB is a chord which inscribes angle x at P, then the measure of the angle at the center is 2x. That is what is question number 17 would be. You try to write down the proof of that when you receive 17th question and cross check with the proof that we will give next day. Next question will be converse of this. If two angles, say segment AB, we have got point P such that it is x, and at Q also it is x, then P, Q, A and B, they are supposed to lie on one circles. They are called A, P, Q, B are cyclic, concyclic. So they lie on circle. That is question number 18. This property we will require every now and then for, all these 5 properties for solving the next question. Another equalness property of the circle is, if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then sum of opposite angles is 180. X plus y would be 180. That will be your 19th question and you have to solve it. Then converse of that, if in any quadrilateral, if you happen to have sum of opposite angles equal to 180, then A, B, C, D lie on a circle. All those 4 points are concyclic. And next property that we will require is question number 21, which is exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to remote opposite interior angle. B, measure of angle B and measure of angle CDP will be equal. All those are very simple properties, but you need to give your own thought for proving them if you do not know the proof. Else you read the proof sent by me next day, and these will be the 5 more properties that you will require. Now the interesting part, which I am also finding interesting while solving these questions and making the question set for you, is every problem is different and the same old property is to be used to solve that problem, but there is a variety of question, and every time you require to think a little bit more and solve that particular problem. That makes this particular activity interesting. Hope you will enjoy solving this as well as the problems which we are going to put in next 30-40 days. Along with the earlier, you are required to use this property. Okay, thank you. See you next time.